Anthropologists think about big macro questions about what it is to be human and how different cultural settings make humans different from one another, but they also think about very specific kinds of questions, how political and economic changes in specific places impact upon people and make a difference to their lives.
Everything that we study, which ranges across the board from politics to religion, economics, anything you can think of really. The distinctive element of what we study as anthropologists is that it's really people-focused.
What's exciting about anthropology for me is the ability to really engage seriously with a very different way of viewing the world.
Anthropology teaches you how to think, how to critically analyse, how to always question what you think about the world, how to question that through really listening and learning from other people.
For undergraduates, we have a degree in social anthropology, which you can take either as a BA or a BSc. We also have a BA Anthropology and Law programme, which is a qualifying law degree, whilst at the same time giving you the opportunity to study anthropology.
Why people should study anthropology at the LSE is not only because of the position that the department plays in the history of the discipline. I mean, LSE pioneered the kinds of fieldwork methodologies that are used in the discipline the world over, but also the professors here are absolutely fantastic. They have a kind of infectious enthusiasm for the discipline that it's very difficult to shake.
It's exciting to be taught by people who are sort of global leaders in their discipline and have work that is really influential.
We let undergraduates do ethnographic research during their second year. They're right in the middle of London. They can go off and really study any kind of group of people that they find interesting.
Another thing that makes the department's teaching special, I think, is the tutorial system that we have here, where students meet with their academic advisors on a one-on-one or a small group basis to really go into depth on key topics that they're learning in their classes.
I think the atmosphere is quite unique. I think it's one of the great things about it is that it's so small that it really has this quite intimate feel to it. Everybody knows each other. The professors know you on a first name basis, which I think is absolutely wonderful.
The department is a really lively place, but it's also a very serious place. It's a place that's incredibly friendly and supportive, but it's also challenging. So we're going to ask students to think about really, really difficult questions, but we're going to help them find their own answers to those questions.
It's a demanding place to be, but highly, highly rewarding. So if you're up for the challenge, then you won't regret being here.